Elmer's utility function is min of x comma y square. If price of good x is 25 and price of y is 15, and Elmer's chooses to consume 7 units of y, what must his income be? Min of x comma y square. Okay, so utility equals to min of x comma y square. So सबसे पहले तो I'll figure out what the indifference curves look like. So you say that x is less than y square. So सबसे पहले मैं x equals to y square का curve बना लूँगा. That would be better. So this x equals to y square. So the y equals to root x. So the curve will look like this. Y equals to root x will look like this. Okay, so this is the curve for y equals to x root x or x equals to y square. So a point like this here, a point here will have x coordinate equals to y square. You move right, you get x greater than y square. You move left, you have x less than y square. Okay, so now the regions are sorted. So whenever x is less than y square, utility function will report x. So here you will have utility equals to x, and here you will have utility equals to y square. Okay, now let's take any random utility value, let's say 4. So y square equals to 4, x equals to 4. So x equals to 4, it will be a vertical line like this, and y square equals to 4 is nothing but y equals to 2, so it will look like this. So these are still going to be L-shaped curves, but the vertices, the locus of vertices is going to be the x equals to y square curve. Okay, so that's the only difference. We have actually done this as part of the problems which I gave you on min-max. Now Elmer chooses to consume 7 units of y. So we are saying his y is equals to 7. So no matter what his budget line is, he will always consume a point on the red curve. Okay, so that is true for this person. So no matter what the budget line looks like, the maximum indifference curve that he can reach will always be occurring here. So whatever this budget line is, I do not know, this is unknown to me, but I know that this point is some x comma 7. So I know that this point, it lies on the x equals to y square. So x should be equal to square of y. So I should have x equals to 49. Okay, so actual bundle he is consuming is 49 comma 7. So now that I know the bundle, what must his income be? So x is 49, y is 7. So 49 into 25 plus 7 into 15. Whatever that is, you do the calculations. I am guessing it should be 1330. I do not know, but math part है वो तुम manage कर लेना.